Automatic alarm, 1334 North Florida.
The same Dominic's again.
It's just another prank. I'm sorry to drag you out here again.
So we need to check it out, Funny. Let's get these stragglers out of the building, shall we? Engine, truck.
Should be outside. Squad, stand by.
Herman, come on. Let's follow up. Let me know if anything seems off.
Yeah, Chief.
This is his next target.
Wait, you sure? There's no sign of any fire.
He's not setting a fire. That last lunchroom, he was just doing his reconnaissance. Chief, he set a car bomb.
All units, evacuate the building. Help me clear out this parking lot right away.
Okay, come on, go.
You heard the man, let's move, let's go!
Hey, sir, we're moving everybody across the street. Come on. Hey! Hey! Easy, slow down!
How about you, Chief?
You okay? I'm fine.
Pride goeth before destruction, a haughty spirit before the fall. Proverbs 16:18.